Alright, hi. This is video log 1 and this is the work which you've done till now. This is the package which you have to deliver. So say that this is the contents to be delivered and they are inside the package. Right. So right now I'm going to close this box and give it to the drone. Alright, as you can see, the box is closed and now this box has to be carried by this drone. Now instead of the drone's thrust, we are using human hands. We are doing it manually. Later the drone will be doing this job. So say the drone flies and sits on the box. Alright, make it orient and it sits on the box. So right now you can see it is loose and the box is now getting lifted. So if you could come here. So now if I just close the right. Alright, I'm going to press C, enter. Alright, and you can see that the box is now tightly secured. The box is secure. Now the drone can just lift it. Alright, and the drone can just drop it, lift it, drop it, and now the drone is like all right. So now if I just type O for open, alright, I'm going to press enter. That time this box is going to get released from the clutch. So as you can see, it's open, released. You can just come inside. Alright, so that's.
Thank you.